Hello friends, welcome to Code Fusion. My name is Kumar and this is about 34-hour video series JavaScript for the beginners. And in this video, we talk about for of loop. But first, if you want to support me, please hit the like button and subscribe to Code Fusion. It will help me to rank this video in the YouTube algorithm. So now let's start the video with the today's topic. What is for of loop? Well, for of loop is another loop in JavaScript which is used to loop through the values of the iterable of an object. To get in detail, let's see the syntax. The syntax is quite simple. It's like for each method, there is a for keyword followed with the brackets and it will loop through to the end automatically. And in the body of the loop, we are just logging items value. In result, we will get the entire array in the console. So quickly, I will give you an example. Let's go to our VS Code. Here is an array list of grocery. Now we will loop through this array by using for of loop. For const item of list of grocery curly braces log items. Now let's see the result in the console. Now you can clearly see we just printed the console log with our array values very easily. So that's all for now. I hope you will understand the topic very well. If not, comment me down below. I will sure reply to you. Well, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Code Fusion and hit the notification bell for the latest update on this channel. And remember, keep learning, keep coding, keep improving yourself day by day. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.